Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw cheese pizza. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cheese pizza, we're going to begin with the crust. I'm going to start right up here and I'm just going to draw a little curved line. Next, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to make this line go up, then it's going to come down, kind of like a sad face shape. Then we'll add another little curve over on this side. Next, I'm going to add a line that comes across and connects to here. Then we'll just add a little curved line right here. Now, starting here, we want to draw a line that's just going to kind of come down to right here. And you can see I made it a little bit wavy too. I'm going to make this line go down and that's going to come up. And over here, I want to make it a lot wavier. So I'm making these lines a little bit bigger as they come side to side, and they're going to go right up to here. Now, we need to draw the crust underneath here. So what we'll do is we'll draw a little line that goes down and then it's going to come up. It's going to jump over here and then keep coming up right to here. Now, there's not a whole lot on a cheese pizza because it's just plain cheese. So what I'm going to do is, just to add some detail, is we're going to add some little extra pieces of cheese on here. So what I'm going to do is, first thing is let's make kind of like a little broken line that comes down here. And then let's make the cheese. So to do this, we're just going to make some long, wavy, kind of rectangular shapes. So to do this, you just want to draw a shape, then draw that same shape again, then just connect the ends. So we're just going to draw some wavy lines and then just connect the ends. So you can do this as many times as you want to, or whatever you think looks best. I've got about 4 pieces on there, so I think that looks pretty good. Now, up here, because it's just kind of like a plain piece of pizza, I want to add a little face just to make it kind of fun. I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and then we'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to draw a little black dot, or a little circle inside each one. And then I'm going to color this in, and I'm just going to leave a little bit white for a little bit of a shine in the eye. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes across for the mouth. I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up. We'll add a little tongue. I'm going to add a few little teeth in here too. Next, we can just color in the mouth real fast. And there you go. There is your drawing of a piece of cheese pizza. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.